Okay, so, all right, so let me bring you in here. A little bit more is going to happen because I'm going to come back in with roofing cement and everything to get everything resealed back down. What's happened along the shingle is that creasing has occurred at the top here around the shingle area. Oh, this even tore. Okay, so let me get in here. This even tore in this location. It's torn to, oops, sorry. It's torn to about right here. And then this is obviously creased just upon like lifting this to drive the nail in at that spot there. Most of this happened as I was prying the nails out originally. It wasn't even from driving the nails, it was even before. So lifting to even drive the nails made things even worse. This is pretty bad right here. So this shingle is broken. Other thing that's happened here is that these dragon teeth, or this second laminate on top, has peeled away and has lifted and has come detached from the mat underneath. Second thing is that there's a pretty good amount of mat transfer that's happened on this shingle here. So not able to reseal back down after the fact. And then all of these shingles, I can see if I just took my finger right here and I just swiped here, I won't. All of this granular would just come off. So over the next couple weeks, as we get some change in temperature, we get some rain, these creasings and creases throughout here are going to really show themselves, especially this one right here. You can kind of even see it as I pull back, just how we really got into that. So in general, this is just kind of what I kind of expect to see from a shingle that just has age, it shows age. I mean, just glancing around all over, you can just kind of see fiberglass showing throughout the shingle. Kind of just led me to believe that this was likely going to be the case. It's just not the newest shingle. Also, all of these vents have roofing cement on all the edges here and down the sides here, and then roofing cement here. That makes it difficult to lift those shingles out without them peeling away, and you really have to kind of get in there and remove them. So I'm going to come back in. I'm going to, since all the mats are damaged, from them being able to reseal, that's compromised. I'm going to come in with roofing cement and reseal all this. Obviously, these exposed nails here will be sealed as well. But just off of first impression, this shingle is just extremely difficult to repair. It's not repairable, and I'm actually going to send in a separate video, a second video, showing the flat roof sections where we've been told the flashing is to be replaced, and the difficult nature of that and the problems that we're going to run into based off of what I'm finding with the shingle. So that video to come. Thank you.